This is not just a visa story. It is a warning signal to thousands of skilled professionals who are dreaming of America. Because deep in the heart of Texas, a decision has been made that could quietly reshape the future of foreign workers, specifically Indians. And the message is simple here: Texas jobs for Texans first. But what does this really mean? You're watching Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Atri, and let's decode this. The announcement that sparked global attention here: imagine spending years building your career, engineering degree, tech skills, international ambitions, and all of a sudden, one of America's biggest states hits the brake on hiring foreign talent. Texas Governor Greg Abbott, he has directed state agencies and public universities to stop filing new H-1B visa applications until 2027. Yes, 2027. That is not a short pause here. That is nearly 2 full hiring cycles. Now, for many applicants, it could mean missed opportunity, delayed career, or forced B plan. So, here's what you need to do. First of all, don't panic. This is not a nationwide ban. The US has not cancelled the H-1B program, and if you already have an H-1B, this order does not automatically affect you. But here's the catch: state government departments, public universities, some taxpayers funded institutions will no longer sponsor new foreign workers for now. And that, my friend, is a big deal because these institutions hire thousands of skilled professionals every single year. Now, why is Texas taking such a tough step? Here, officials say that taxpayers' money should prioritize local talent. The state now wants detailed proof that employer truly tried to hire American before turning to foreign workers. In short, Texas wants accountability. Supporters call it economic protection, but critics, they call it talent restriction. Either way, it signals a shift in thinking. America is becoming more cautious about who it hires. And you know why Indians should watch this very carefully? Because let's talk about numbers for a moment. Indians receive the largest share of H-1B visas every year, often dominating the tech, healthcare, research, engineering sector. And Texas, it is not just another state, it is a booming economic superpower, home to massive tech expansion, AI startups, semiconductor projects, energy giants, top research universities. Now, for many Indians, Texas has been a gateway to the American dream, and now that gateway just got narrower. But here comes the twist that most people are missing. Private companies are not part of this freeze. So big tech firms and many corporations can still sponsor the foreign workers, which means the door is not shut, but it is no longer wide open. And psychologically, that changes everything because policies like this often trigger a ripple effect. Other states start watching, politicians start debating, voters start asking tough questions, and slowly, immigration narrative, it evolves.